YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and welcome to sunny Texas, where yesterday it was 80 and today the high is 40. So today we're going to work on cleaning up this golf cart windshield. It's gotten kind of hazy from a lot of scratches and whatnot. I'm going to show you kind of a quick way to clean that up. I'm going to do the best I can to demonstrate the difference here. Obviously we're limited with camera resolution, but this side is untreated and this side I just polished by hand real quick, and to the naked eye it made a huge difference, because I don't know if the camera's able to pick it up. First thing you need to do is just get all the surface dust off. Basically anything that can scratch the plastic further you want off of here. There's not a right or wrong way to do this. I'm just using a auto detailer spray. You can use soap and water. You could probably even use glass cleaner, even though this is plastic. I'm going to do the same thing on the inside. And then we're going to use the all metal polish to take the scratches out, and it actually works very well on plastic. You'd be surprised. Now I'm doing this by hand just to show you that it can be done by hand, but it actually works even better if you have a buffer. So basically keep doing this until it's as shiny as you want it to be. Do the same thing on the inside. The main part obviously is the top. That's where you see out of. You can do the bottom and make the whole thing look great. Just keep going over it until it gets to the level you want. And I'll show you how to do it with the buffer too. If you do have access to a buffer, obviously it makes the job a lot quicker and easier than doing it by hand, but I'm just showing you that you can do it by hand and get great results. Okay, I have my Harbor Freight random orbital polisher, and I have to say, if you are just a do-it-yourselfer like me, this is perfectly fine for doing your cars. I can't remember what I paid for it, but I used a coupon and got it pretty cheap. And this is the blue polisher pad that they sell. So we'll just put some on the pad. Probably got a little too much, but that's okay. And then we'll just blot it out so that it doesn't spray all over us. Buff it off with the microfiber. And I definitely got too much on the buffer pad that time. So I'll just finish buffing that down. I'll do the inside as well. Hopefully it's showing up on camera how much of an improvement it's already made. In case you're wondering, I do have it set to the highest speed on here. You can certainly play around with different speeds and see if you get better results with a slower speed or faster speed. After you've polished it up and gotten it looking really nice, it's not going to stay that way if you don't protect it somehow. So there's different things you could do. You could put just regular car wax on it, which it may or may not hold up real well for you. You can certainly treat it with 303, which seems to be a pretty good protectant. I don't know if it's going to give you the results that you're looking for. I'm going to use this headlight lens sealer. I think it's going to do the best job for what we're wanting here. And you just basically spritz it on. It's kind of a synthetic wax, is the best way I could describe it. And then you just want to kind of wipe it in. It's supposed to keep it clear and bright and protect from UV rays, seal out dirt and grime, and prevent yellowing and hazing. So it's supposed to do exactly what we're wanting it to do here. It says that it should dry clear, so I'm going to just watch it and see. If I need to come back with the microfiber and wipe it down, I may do that. I'm going to go ahead and treat the inside as well. So again, I don't know if it's shown up on camera, but I think that worked really well. It certainly needs a dry, clean towel to wipe it down to get the shine that you're looking for, and as well as the visibility through it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Click subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.